Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download profile picture on WhatsApp. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, what you have to do is open the WhatsApp application in your mobile and make sure it's updated to the latest version. And here you will see all of your chat history. Now I want to download the profile picture of this contact here. I will click on it. You can see that there is no option to save or download this profile picture. All you can do is take the screenshot of this picture here, and if you took the screenshot you will see that screen capture is also blocked, so you cannot take a screenshot due to a security restrictions. So whenever I will end this video I will be able to take screenshot of this because it's screen recording, so I am unable to take a screenshot, but you can take a screenshot of it by clicking the power button and the volume button. So this is the only way you can download or save a profile picture of any contact you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to download profile picture on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.